Good morning, students. Chapter 3, motion in straight line, continue. In last lecture, we have obtained equations for uniformly accelerated motion with the help of VT graph. Yes, it is one of the most MP question. Now, the same equation we will derive with the help of calculus, with the help of integration. But first of all, what is integration? What is its formula, rules for integration? We will study here. Integration means to integrate. It is one kind of addition, one kind of summation. You know what is sigma? Sigma means addition. If you are taking limit very small, means some limit very small, then that summation is converted in integration. That we will study in detail. Okay. What is equation of integration? How to solve it? See. First, integration. First equation, integration x raised to n dx. How to read and how to understand this equation? It is symbol of integration. Here, integration is with respect to which variable? That is dx indicates that integration is with respect to x. Here dx indicates integration is with respect to x, and it is function having x. It is function of x. Clear? First of all, to prove this theory, we have to understand this equation and its solution. How to read this equation? Again, integration x raised to n dx. Integration x raised to n dx. It means integration of x raised to n with respect to x. Integration of x raised to n with respect to x. What is its answer? See, integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n. How to remember? Add one power of x and write that power in denominator. See, here x raised to n. What is power of x? N. You have to add one power, x raised to n plus 1. And this power you have to write in denominator. Plus c, where c is called integration constant, and its value we can find with the help of some initial condition. With the help of some initial condition. Right now, we will not put value of c. Whenever we will use exponential function in 12th, we will put value of c with the help of some initial condition. Right now, to understand what is integration, we will not put value of c. Okay, see, here we are taking one example. Integration x raised to 10 dx means integration of x raised to 10 with respect to x. Here, x raised to 10. What is power of x? 10. You have to add one power. So its answer is x raised to 10 plus 1 divided by that power you have to write in denominator. Okay. So is equal to, it is x raised to 11 upon 11. Clear? Okay. It is very easy. See, x raised to 10 dx. Add one power. 10 plus 1 means 11. And that power you have to write in denominator. Clear? Now see, we will take some more examples to understand this. Integration x raised to 5 dx. Integration x raised to 5 dx. What is power of x? 5. You have to add one power. X raised to 5 plus 1. And that power you have to write in denominator. That is 5 plus 1. So is equal to, it is x raised to 6 upon 6. Any doubt? Sure. Okay. Next one we will write directly. See, integration x square dx. Integration x square dx. What is power of x? 2. We have to add one power. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and divided by 3. Clear? It is very easy. Okay. This equation, use of this equation, integration x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay. Next one, integration x dx. X. Hello. X. What is power of x? 1. What is power of x? 1. Then what is integration of x dx? you have to add one power. 1 plus 1, it is 2 divided by 2. See, it is easy. Yes, it is easy. Okay, now integration dx. There is no term having x. Then how to write? See, we can write this as integration 1 dx is equal to integration x raised to 0 dx. Yes or no? Yes, we can write like this. Okay, so here now what is power of x? 0. Follow this formula. X raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Add one power and that power you have to write in denominator. So is equal to x 0 plus 1, 1 divided by 1. You can simply write x. Clear? So remember, what is integration of x dx? X square by 2. What is integration of dx? X. Now similarly, what is integration dt? T. What is integration dv? V. What is integration ds? S. What is integration dA? A. Yes or no? Okay. Now, next, see, these all terms have only powers of x. X raised to 10, x raised to 5, x square, x, and it is dx. Now, if you are given some coefficient with function of x, for example, it is integration 5x raised to 9 dx. Integration 5x raised to 9 dx. Yes, this 5 is coefficient of x raised to 9 and integration is with respect to x. So you can take this 5 out of integration because it is constant. Because it is constant. This 5 does not depend on x. So you can take it out of integration and you can write this term as 5 integration x raised to 9 dx. Now how to simplify this, how to integrate this, you know, is equal to, see carefully, this 5 as it is, what is integration x raised to 9 dx? Add one power, 9 plus 1, 10, and that power you have to write in denominator. Clear? Clear? So, yes, you can simplify this. 5 and here it is 2. So your answer is x raised to 10 divided by 2. Any doubt? Sure. If you have any doubt, send your doubts on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now next one. Integration minus 3x raised to 5 dx. Integration is with respect to x. X raised to 5 minus 3 is coefficient. You have to take this minus 3 out of integration. So it is minus 3 integration x raised to 5 dx is equal to, how to write? This minus 3 as it is. What is integration of x raised to 5 dx? Integration x raised to 5 dx. Add one power and write that power in denominator. X raised to 5. So here it is x raised to 6 upon 6. Clear? It is 3 into 2. So your answer is minus x raised to 6 upon 2. Clear? Okay, next one. Integration 6x dx. Integration 6x dx. Again, integration is with respect to x. It is x and its coefficient is 6. Out of integration, integration x dx is equal to 6. What is integration of x? X square by 2. So it is 2. Here it is 3. So your answer is, it is 3x square. Your answer is, it is 3x square. Clear? Okay. Next one. Integration 5 dx. Integration 5 dx. See, 5 is constant. Out of integration. What is integration? Hello, you already know what is integration dx. Integration dx is equal to x. Integration dx is equal to x. So your answer is 5x. Your answer is 5x. So these are individual terms. What is integration of x raised to 10, x raised to 5, x square, x dx, and like this coefficient. If now you are given any equation, for example, here it is integration 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. Integration is with respect to x and it is whole equation. Okay, how to find it? See, it is simple. Okay, first of all you can apply this integration to each and every term, and you have to integrate like this. Okay, we will write some direct steps. See, it is easy. Hello, here is equal to 3x square dx. 3 as it is. Yes or no? Yes. What is integration of x square? Integration of x square is add one power, and that power you have to write in denominator. Clear? Again, what is integration of 3x square? 3 as it is. Integration of x square, x cubed by 3. Okay. Plus 2x dx. 2 as it is. What is integration of x? What is power of x? 1. You have to add 1 power, so it is x square divided by 2. Okay. What is integration 1 dx? What is integration 1 dx? Yes, it is x. Okay. If you simplify this, 3 cut, 3 cut, 2 cut, 2 cut. So your answer is x cube plus x square plus x. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Okay. Now if you are given like this, integration a plus bt dt. See here integration is with respect to t. Here integration is with respect to t. Okay. So see how to simplify this is equal to integration. Is equal to integration. A dt. See we know that what is integration 5 dx 5x. Understand? What is integration 5 dx 5x. Then what is integration a dt? Yes, it is at. Yes, it is at. Clear? Okay. Similarly, integration bt dt. B as it is. What is integration of t? It is t square by 2. It is t square by 2. Okay. So integration of a, it is at. Integration of b as it is. What is integration of t? T square by 2. Clear? If you have any doubt, send notes on my WhatsApp number. And see, this one is indefinite integral. Okay, this one is indefinite integral. Now we will study what is definite integral. See, what is meaning of definite integral? In case of definite integral, you are given some limit. Okay, you have to find this thing from this to this, from this to this. Okay, for example, if we want to calculate population, okay, of some region, then we will give some limit. Okay, you have to find population within 5 kilometer to 10 kilometer. So that 5 kilometer to 10 kilometer, it is called limit. It is called limit. Yes, it is called limit. Okay, see how to write limit. What is definite integral? Here, for example, we have integration x cube dx. How to write definite integral? A is called lower limit and this b is called upper limit. A is called lower limit, b is called upper limit. Okay, now integration x cube dx, you know what is its answer? It is x raised to 4 upon 4. You have to write in square bracket. And upper limit and lower limit you have to write like this. It is lower limit and it is upper limit. Clear? Again, integration x cube dx is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4. Write in square bracket, lower limit here, upper limit here. Okay? Any doubt? Yes. Now how to put limit? You have to remember one equation. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. How to put limit? See here. In x raised to 4 upon 4, first of all replace this x by upper limit. Replace this x by upper limit. So you have to write like this. X is replaced by upper limit means b. B raised to 4 upon 4. Clear? Then negative sign. Then which sign? Negative sign. Now in x raised to 4 upon 4, you have to replace this x by lower limit. What is lower limit? A. Then it is a raised to 4 upon 4. Clear? So you have to remember one equation, upper limit minus lower limit. You can also write this as b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 divided by 4. Clear? Now one more example. See carefully here. Integration 1 to 2 3x cube plus 2x plus 5 dx. Integration 3x cube plus 2x plus 5 dx. See here. First of all, we will integrate this. See, what is integration of 3x cube? 3. What is integration of x cube? X raised to 4 upon 4. Clear? Plus, what is integration of 2x? 2 as it is. X square's integration is x square by 2. And what is integration of 5? It is 5x. Is it clear? Integration of 3x cube, 3 as it is. Integration of x cube, it is x raised to 4 divided by 4. Plus 2, integration of x is x square by 2. Plus 5, its integration is 5x. Limit you have to write here. It is 1 to 2. It is 1 to 2. Clear? Okay. Now, how to put limit? See carefully. How to put limit? See carefully. Is equal to. What is upper limit? Upper limit is 2. Then, in each and every term having x, you have to replace this x by 2. You have to replace this x by 2. See how to write. 3. What is upper limit? 2. Means it is 2 raised to 4 divided by 4. Plus 2 and 2 cut. So it is 2 raised to square. Plus it is 5 and here it is 2. Clear? It is upper limit. It is upper limit. Between there is negative sign. Which sign? Negative sign. And now you have to put lower limit. So in this term, each and every x is replaced by 1. How to write? It is 3, 1 raised to 4 divided by 4. Plus 1 square plus 5 into 1. Clear? Any doubt? Now you have to simplify this. Yes, 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4, it is 16. Yes or no? 16 divided by 4. 4. 4 into 3, it is 12. So is equal to, it is 12 plus 2 square, 4 plus 5 into 2, 10 minus, how to simplify this bracket? It is 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4 plus 1 and it is plus 5. Okay, now you can easily calculate what is your answer. What you have to study, what you have to practice, how to integrate and how to put limits. See, one care you have to take. Between upper limit and lower limit, there is a negative sign. So whenever you put lower limit, take care of this negative sign. Yes, for this integration, I will give you one assignment. Okay, in your WhatsApp group, you have to find answer of each and every sums. Okay, you have to integrate each and every terms. I will give you homework as an assignment. Okay, in your WhatsApp group. Right now, pause your video and write down from work. Okay, another important theory. Again, equations we have to obtain are same. What is title? See, obtain equations of motion for constant acceleration using method of calculus. Means you will get same equation, same 3 equation, but with different method. And yes, here again, definite integration. How to use definite integration? You will see. See, let at time t is equal to 0, position is x0, velocity is v0. At time t is equal to t, position is x and velocity is v. To see, this data is called limit. What is limit of position? Initial position is x0 and final position is x. So it is called limit. Initial velocity is v0, final velocity is v. Yes, it is called limit. Here, for constant acceleration, so we are assuming its constant acceleration is a. Now we know what is equation of acceleration. See, a is equal to dv upon dt. Clear? Now make this dv as subject. So dv is equal to a dt. Now what is meaning of this equation? Understand. For very small time interval dt, change in velocity is dv. Again, for very small time dt, change in velocity is dv. We have to consider time 0 to t and velocity v0 to v. So now we have to integrate this term. Again, dv is equal to a dt means for very small time change in velocity is dv. But we want to calculate change in velocity from time t is equal to 0 to t, that is from v0 to v. So we have to integrate this equation. We have to integrate this equation. Clear? So taking integration on both sides. Integration dv is equal to integration a dt. Now how to put limit? See, you will be given some conditions. How to put limit? Here integration dv means integration is with respect to v. Integration is with respect to v. What is v? Velocity. What is initial velocity v0? What is final velocity v? You have to take this initial velocity as lower limit and final velocity as upper limit. Clear? Why to put limit v and v0? Because integration is with respect to v. This side, integration is with respect to t, time. What is initial time? 0. What is final time? T. Then take this initial time 0 as lower limit and take this final time as upper limit. Clear? What is meaning of this 0 to t a dt? You have to integrate this term from time t is equal to 0 to t. 0 to t. Okay, if you are given integration 0 to 2, means you have to integrate only from 0 to 2. You do not have to think about 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. It is meaning of definite integral. Okay, now we know what is integration dx, x. What is integration dv? V. See, integration dv is equal to v. Integration dv is equal to v. Yes, very good. Okay, limit, lower limit, upper limit. This side, a is constant. A is constant. So it is out of integration. A. What is integration of dt? Only t. And limit is from 0 to t. Clear? Clear? What is integration? Yes. Now you have to put limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. V. It is upper limit. So it is v. Minus. You have to replace this v by lower limit, that is v0. So v minus v0. Clear? This side, a as it is. T. Put t is equal to t upper limit minus this t is replaced by 0 lower limit. V minus v0 is equal to a t minus 0. So you can simply write v minus v0 is equal to a t. If you make this v as subject, then v is equal to v0 plus a t. Your first equation. Your first equation. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now second. See. We have first of all used a is equal to dv upon dt. Now we will use v is equal to dx upon dt. Again dt this side, so dx is equal to v dt. Now again, what is this equation? See, understand. For small time dt, what is change in position? Dx. For small time dt, what is change in position? Dx. Okay, but we have to find change in position from time t is equal to 0 to t, that is from x0 to x. So we have to integrate this. So we have to integrate this. See, what is meaning of integration actually? if it is x-axis, it is x0 and it is x. I am taking this small displacement dx, another small displacement dx, another small displacement dx, another small displacement dx, another small displacement dx. Then if you write dx plus dx plus dx plus dx plus dx, okay, then you will get the total length. You will get this total length. Okay, so it is meaning of integration. You have to integrate this total distance from x to x0, x0 to x. See, dx is equal to v dt, integrating on both sides. Integration dx is equal to integration v dt. Here integration is with respect to x position. So what is limit of position? x0 to x. Here integration is with respect to time. Okay. But here we have one variable, that is v. Here we have one variable, that is v. Okay. So integration is with respect to t. You have to put limit of t. You have to put limit of t. And what is limit of t? From 0 to t. What is limit of t? From 0 to t. Remember, integration limit. You have to put limit of variable with respect to which you are integrating. With respect to which you are integrating. Here integration is with respect to time, so you have to put limit of time, 0 to 2. Clear? Clear? Now, integration dx as it is. Put value of v. V is equal to v0 plus at. Integration is with respect to t, so you have to put limit of time, that is from 0 to t. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. So, first of all, you have to understand how to put limit, okay, from this given data. Now, how to integrate this? See, integration dx, x, limit x0 to x. Any doubt? Okay. Is equal to this side. What is integration of v0? v0t plus what is integration of at? A square by 2. Any doubt? Limit is from 0 to t. Limit is from 0 to t. Put limit x minus x0. X minus x0. This side. First of all, in this both term, you have to replace this t by this t. Yes, it is same. So your answer will be this one. Okay. So it is v0t plus half at square. Now, between there is minus sign and you have to replace this t by 0. So if you put here 0, what is your answer? 0. If you put here 0, what is your answer? 0. Clear? How to put limit? Upper limit minus lower limit. So x minus x0 is equal to v0t plus half at square. X minus x0 is equal to v0t plus half at square. Clear? Okay. X minus x0 is equal to v0t plus half at square. It is derived. Now last one. C. Take care. A is equal to dv upon dt. I can write this equation as C. dv upon dt, yes, I have multiplied and divided by dx. I have multiplied and divided by dx. Now, okay, I can make proof. See, dx upon dt, this dx and this dt, dx upon dt. The remaining term is dv upon dx, like this. Now we know that what is dx upon dt? It is v. So a is equal to v dv upon dx. Now if you take dx on opposite side, a dx is equal to v dv. So again, what is this equation? For very small change in velocity, change in distance is, change in position is x. We have to change velocity from v0 to v. We have to change position from x0 to x. Then how to do this? Integrating both sides. Integration a dx, limit is from x0 to x, because integration is with respect to x. Integration v dv, v0 to v, because integration is with respect to v. Now a out of integration, because it is constant, x0 to x dx is equal to v0 to v, v dv. What is integration dx? X. Upper limit, lower limit. What is integration of v? V square by 2. Limit is upper limit, lower limit. Now put limit a x minus x0, upper limit minus lower limit, is equal to this side. This v is replaced by this v, that is v square by 2, minus this v is replaced by lower limit v0 square by 2. From this side, this 2 common, and opposite side it will be 2a x minus x0 is equal to v square minus v0 square. So it is equations for uniformly accelerated motion with the help of, with the method of calculus, integration. Hello students, see this video 1 or 2 times, write it down 2 or more times, then you will easily understand each and every statement, each and every condition. Clear? Pause your video and write down from board. If you have any doubt in integration, then send doubts on my WhatsApp number.